welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a señora video. I don't know if it's mean that I say that, but or like a doña video. I like to call myself doña, or like when I'm doing like housewife stuff, or like what is it, housewife, home stuff, cleaning. I always say like doña stuff, and I've just been saying that ever since I got married. So I'm sorry if that's a little bit offensive, but I think it's kind of cute. Like, I'm a doña. I don't know. But today I'm gonna be cleaning out my refrigerator, and shout out to Jazz if you're watching this. She requested this video. But I thought it would be kind of fun to do it because I don't know how many of you guys are my age. I'm 25, I'm a wife, so I don't know how many of you guys watching kind of fit that, like just wife in general, or 25 or older, whatever. But I kind of like watching stuff like this because like Doña life for life. So yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing my cleaning out my refrigerator. It is a disaster, you guys. I haven't cleaned it probably in like, I usually like clean it, like dump things out, like throw things away, but I haven't like cleaned it. I haven't cleaned the shelves in probably like a month. So it's really gross, and there was something in one of the bins that went bad, and it started like juicing. It was very nasty. So I have to clean like literally everything, but I thought it would be fun to record this video throwing things away and actually cleaning it. And yeah, I don't know if there's a proper way to do this, but I'm just gonna show you how I do it. So if I'm doing this wrong, whoops. Let's move on. Okay, so this is how my refrigerator looks. It is a mess. Like, it's very bad. It's very full. There's a lot of sodas in there because we bought, like, we usually buy 2 cases of sodas, and that will last us for like, I don't know, 2.5 months, like almost 3 months. But I wanted to make something and I needed squirt, and it was cheaper if I just bought a 12 pack. So I bought a 12 pack. Now we have like a gazillion sodas. So this is my refrigerator. I know you guys can't see it right now, but this is how it looks right now. It's very full. It's very like, it's very bad. It's very bad. There's just stuff everywhere. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with taking everything out, and I'll tell you, I have my trash can right here. So I can honestly, like realistically, half of this stuff is gonna go in the basura because ya no sirve. And it's very nasty. Butter, there's like nothing in here. Maybe I should do like a prank. You know how señoras and doñas like actually use these stuff as storage? I haven't done that yet, so maybe like there's literally nothing in here. I think I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna put something in here and see what Isaac's reaction is whenever he needs butter and he grabs that, because I haven't done it yet. So I'm gonna save that. These beans, honestly, they're garbage. Actually, yeah, I see the white. Okay. Basura. Ugh. I'm gonna have a lot of dishes to wash. I just washed the dishes before this because I wanted the sink clean so I can throw stuff in there. It's gonna be very bad. Okay, coffee creamer because duh, I need it. And then I have another one. You guys, this is the Cinnamon Toast Crunch like coffee creamer. So good. It's like, it tastes like cinnamon, but it's really good. I really like it. So very delicious. Half and half because duh, part 7. My milk shake brings all the boys to the yard. Just kidding.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
Milk, I'm the only one that drinks this, but it says May 15th. Maybe that's why my coffee tasted nasty yesterday. It doesn't smell like bad, like horrible, but it smells bad. I won't throw it out. Yeah, yesterday I used milk for my coffee. Actually, this can go in recycle. I used that milk for my coffee, and I'm like, something tastes funny, but I just thought, I don't know. It's probably the milk. Grape juice. I'm gonna have Isaac finish this today because it's been there for a while. We got Jamaica from his mom's house, you guys. We went to his mom's house for Mother's Day, and they made Jamaica, and they had like, what is it? Unconcentrated. It wasn't like done, and it was just a Jamaica, and I thought that was a Jamaica, like the good Jamaica, and I drank it. It was so nasty. 2 tortillas that trash now. I have this thing of Asian salad. I'm gonna keep that. Maybe I can make that for dinner tonight, or with dinner tonight. And I bought am I going too fast? I don't know. I got, look at these jumbo tortillas. I got these for Isaac so we can make burritos. And they're humongous. Like, they're for sure. Does it look like a halo? It's like so huge. They're like perfect for burritos. So if your husband wants like breakfast burritos, like not just the little ones, like the jumbo ones, buy these. I got these at Vaughn's. And they're good for burritos. And then we have just regular tortillas, like the normal ones. Carrots, you guys, there's like 5 in here, so I'm just gonna put them away. This, I don't know what that is. Rice, trash. Then we have more tortillas. These are good. I don't know why they're flipped backwards. Okay, I don't know what's in here. It's in the back of my like top drawer. So am I gonna? Oh, it's like chorizo con huevo or something. Ugh. Oh, the thing fell out. It won't come out. You guys, I know, like, oh gosh, I dumped some on the floor. I'm like, I know it's, I don't know. I get so nasty with throwing things away. Ah! Okay, I'll just pick that up after. Like, I don't want to touch anything. If I can, I don't like to touch anything. This flan, oh, I don't know what fell. It probably was just water. Okay, beans. I kind of want to save this thing. I don't think those work anymore. Actually, I'm just going to throw it away. Nopales that my grandma gave me. I don't think they're good. I only ate a little bit, but it's been a while, so I'm gonna throw those away. My grandma brought me nopales, and I only ate half. I don't know why Isaac wanted to save these. I'm just gonna throw away. He's not even gonna know I threw them away. A bag? What? Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at how much salsa's in here. Why did we save these? I'm gonna save the thing because that's good to... Oh! I can't pick up the thing. Trash. A naked juice. We bought a pack of these and we didn't finish all of them. March 17th. Blech. Yogurt. I bought yogurt because I like frozen yogurt. I don't like May 21st. That fast? I like frozen yogurt, but I don't like to eat yogurt like by itself. And I thought maybe that one because it's light and thick. I don't like it. It's nasty. Sour cream because I vow to always have sour cream. In our vows, I said that. So that's got to stay. This, what is even in here? Isaac, sometimes when he takes lunch and he doesn't eat it, he'll bring it back and take it the next day, and then he forgets it. That looks like sopa. Ugh. Is it bad that I'm making all these noises? Okay, this needs to be changed for sure. So I just, can I just like throw away the stuff inside and put new baking soda and keep the box, because I have a big old bag of baking soda but I don't have a box, so I'm gonna save that and see if Isaac can do it, or if I can do that. Okay, I'm done with my top shelf. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and start with, I don't know. I want you guys to like see what I'm taking out, so I don't want to move the camera. Okay, baby spinach. We still use that, you guys. The other day I made bomb like breakfast burritos. It was like egg and salsa verde and spinach. It was so delicious. And I took some to my friend and she said she liked it too. Naked Mighty Mango because deliciousness, and that's like a whole meal in itself. I have apple cider that I haven't. We have 2 apple ciders. One is in the living room. Oh, okay. What is this? Oh gosh, this is spaghetti. You guys, I ate spaghetti. We had so much leftovers. I ate spaghetti for 3 days. Like leftover spaghetti for 3 days straight. That's like the most I can do before I'm done. Usually I don't really like. Okay. Can you guys see all the sodas? Let me show you. Like literally half of my refrigerator is sodas. Like, okay, so I think I'm gonna leave the sodas there for now. And then we have almond milk because Isaac likes almond milk. May 15th. What's today? Like the 11th, the 12th? Okay, that one we use the first in, first out method here. I learned that in and out. So that one's gonna expire soon, so I'll probably dump that. This one expires June 19th, so we'll keep one. And honestly, when this whole quarantine started, like Isaac and I did stock up on certain stuff, and almond milk was one of them because it just lasts so much longer than like regular milk. So when the whole quarantine thing started, we bought 3 of the almond milks, and I think this one might be the last one. I don't remember, because I know like when we bought them it was like March, and we're like, oh, this expires in May, perfect. And yeah, so just a friendly reminder if you guys want something to last milk wise and we go on another quarantine, which I hope God never. But yeah, so then okay, this is my mountain of sodas. I'm gonna leave that there for now so I can finish the rest of the house. I mean the rest of the refrigerator. We have salsa, you guys. This is what I use with my burritos, so I think I'm gonna make that today again because deliciousness. So yeah, okay, and our little drawer, we have a little drawer here. Ham, keep that because that's good for Isaac sandwiches. Turkey, good for Isaac sandwiches. Manteca, you guys remember how I did my grocery haul and I said I bought the manteca for Isaac? I don't like the smell of it, you guys. It makes me like, it's ugh. I don't like how manteca smells. I think it smells like pig. Like, I know it's manteca, but it just smells like, I just feel, I don't know. I feel like I hear the oinks and I don't like how it smells, and it's very nasty. It's very potent. I don't like it. And then string cheese, because I always buy string cheese for Isaac. This is such a good snack. Like when he comes home and I don't want him to have like a full-on meal and he's hungry, I just give him one of these, and carrots. He loves it. And it's like for lunch he takes it. I have a cebolla, 1 cebolla. I have mozzarella cheese and Mexican style cheese, like shredded cheese. So this is good for quesadillas or burritos, or I put some of this in the egg, so it's like cheesy egg. I don't know. Oh, we also put Mexican style cheese, this one, in spaghetti. So once I'm cooking it, I put it and it gets so cheap. It's so good, you guys. So good. And then I also have the Frank's. Ah! They're moldy. These are the ones we bought at Northgate, remember? Look it, there's literally, I just used like one and they're moldy now, so. No, pues, wow. This cheese has been there for a long time. This one, queso fresco, you guys, deliciousness. It's not open, so I'm gonna keep that one. I threw away the other one. But when does it expire? Because it looks a little like, I don't know. We'll see once I open it and try it. Okay, so that's my drawer. Or my like wide drawer. Now I have my vegetable drawer. I have all these onions that they've been there for a while. How do you know when onions? Oh yeah, there's mold in there. And then I have a tomato that there's mold on. I used half of it. It's because Isaac and I don't like tomatoes, so whenever I use tomato, I just use a little bit. This is like, am I really gonna use it is the question. There's like celery. I have a big old thing of celery. This I will use. I'll actually keep it today and give Isaac a snack with celery. So I'm gonna keep this. And then I have these guys. Oh, they're furry. Trash. He's furry. Never mind. I was thinking about you, but then you got a little furry, and I said, "Peace out, dude." Okay, the next drawer. Okay, this is the best drawer because it's green. And in there, there's a bunch of tomatillos. I have a bunch of tomatillos, which I'm keeping because we just bought those. And then we literally have 2 bags of lime because anybody that knows me knows must in my house, lime. And I got a bag for my birthday. And then I have 2 tomatoes that I'm keeping because we just bought these. So I'll keep those 2 tomatoes. Oh, here's another lime. And chiles. So this is my green drawer. Chile serranos and then another lemon or lime. And oh my god, that's it! It's actually not that bad. I think I just had a lot of containers. Actually, it's bad. Okay, and then in my puerta, can you guys see my puerta? We have peanut butter. Are these still good? We've had these for a long time and honestly we don't use them. Okay, I'm gonna keep them, but I'm gonna put them like in front donde los veo because with Isaac, I can just send that with him for lunch. There's Isaac medicine. We have the Olive Garden Italian signature dressing. Deliciousness. We have peanut butter because duh. We got jelly because si no el otro no se puede. We got beans that I'm throwing away. We got cream cheese. Oh, we got loads of cream cheese, okay? If you guys went to my wedding, if anybody from our like friends are watching this, you guys know I vowed to always have cream cheese, sour cream, tapatio, and ranch. Which I don't have ranch, but literally like he's stocked up on cream cheese, okay? If you guys know my husband, cream cheese is life. Besides me. Okay, next we have let me put this down. My face itches. Make sure that we're still recording. So I'll put the cream cheese here, This is the used one, so we'll make it obvious. And then we got mustard because we both love mustard. We got mayo, because mayo, we're in mayo. Maybe next week we'll have June in here. Cebolla, las basura, because I got a full one. Okay, this one, oh, I don't know if this is still good. June 30th. I'm not supposed to be eating or drinking like dairy. Milk makes me break out. And I thought, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna buy like natural creamer and I don't like it. So I have this, but I always use these. So I'm gonna put these, aunque sea pa que lo use, cause he's expensive. So might as well use him up, but he's not good. Okay, then we have Hershey Syrup, strawberry and chocolate because they're friends. So we have that here. We have another big old thing of mayo. We have ketchup. I'm gonna put them in their spot, okay? Syrup because I have waffles in the freezer. This has got to go. This was February 2020. This is basura. And it's like at the bottom of the door, so we don't see it, but trash for sure. Pickles, because I love pickles. So delicious. And then we have tapatio, sriracha. I have 2 things of Valentina. I think the lighting is changing, isn't it? It's like kind of gloomy today. I don't know why. Oh, and then I have this Starbucks coffee iced coffee. Medium roast. It looks like these. I like it. I'm finishing it because it's expensive too. It's unsweetened. I don't know if that's maybe why I don't like it, but I do put like milk and creamer in there. So I don't know why I like coffee and I want coffee, but my taste buds como que they're over it. I don't know. It's like I just want, like, actually I lied. Starbucks coffee I can finish, but when I make my own coffee now, como que ya no me saben igual. So I don't know what I did different, but okay, next, move on. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out, oh, look at all these sodas, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 23 sodas in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and clean these things because, they're like very, Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean these. The way I clean them, you can see my ring light. The way I clean them, I just put them in the sink, wash them with dish soap, and then I put Windex in them, and then I let them like dry, like completely dry, and then I put them in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna do that, but you have to be very careful because they're glass, and if they break, I don't even know where they sell replacements. But this one and the bottom of that is very gross. So I don't know how, maybe I'll like do a montage quick so you guys don't have to sit here because it's probably already long. So cue the montage. Okay, so this is how it looks on the inside. It still looks a little crowded, but I think it's because of the sodas. But it's okay. I'm going to start with the door. So on the door, on the first little shelf, I put all of his, like, stuff for his sandwiches. So I put the peanut butter jellies on here. I put the mustard, ketchup, and mayo. He doesn't use this for sandwiches, but sometimes he likes it for other stuff. And then I put the cheese that he uses. This is just stuff for him. Actually, that's mine. I can throw that away, I think. And then the second drawer, I put like all the sweet, I kind of put it like all the sweet desserty things right here. And then I just put his cream cheese here because it's like 100 of them. And then I put our like go-to salsas, which I have a pack of Valentina because this is almost out. But I put all the salsas. And then down here, I just put like the extras. I put the pickles, the extra Valentina, and then the dressing. And then if we come up here on the first shelf, I just put, remember how I told you I had a bunch of sodas? I just put all the extra sodas up here, and I'll have Isaac grab these ones. So these can go first. And then I put all the tortillas back here, and then I put the box of spinach. It's right here, and then I just put the tortillas on top. I don't like how it looks like crowded right there, but what can I do? And then I have the butter. I'm gonna put these here so I remember to put them in his like lunch box. And then this is like the middle shelf, I don't know. So the way we like to do it is we like to put things in rows. So all of these are our juices. We have the Jamaica, the grape juice, the mango, and then the apple cider. And then I just put these here because I didn't want it to look too crowded up here. I have the sour cream, the yogurt, and then the milk. So when I have like my milk, I would put it just right in front of it. And then this is my coffee line. I put this right in the middle because it's in the middle, you know. So I have the 3 creamers, the iced coffee thing up there, and then right here I have, these are the things I got at Home Goods. This is a thing for your eggs. We only have 3 eggs left, but I put that at the bottom. Okay, we only have the 3 eggs, so I put that at the bottom, and then I put this thing I got at Home Goods too. It's for your sodas, so if you guys can see. And then so I just put all the sodas here, and then once those are gone, then we'll use these. But there's that, and then in my little drawer I put the manteca that I don't like. I put the cream cheese, the queso fresco. Here's his ham and turkey right here. The cheese for, you know, quesadillas or whatever. And then I put the salad back there, which I hope I don't forget. And then I have all my green drawers. So I have all the lemons. I put the tomatoes in here, the cebolla. And then now I don't have anything in here, which means I need to go grocery shopping because I don't have anything. But yeah, that's pretty much how my refrigerator ended up. Woohoo! So that was it for my video today. I hope you guys liked it. It was a little fun. It was a little different. It was fun to do what I have to do, but like make a video out of it. So I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you guys are into these kind of videos, organizational videos. I haven't really like done a lot of like detailed organizers because they're expensive, you guys. At Target, they're expensive, and I'm like, I wish if I would have known, I would have like stocked up at Home Goods and got all the like cubes and all the like refrigerator organizers, the closet organizers, because they're so much cheaper at Home Goods. So if you guys can wait, I encourage you guys. You guys can get more for your dollar if you guys just wait, because at Target, one of those like egg things is like $10. I got mine at Home Goods for like $4. So I definitely encourage you guys to wait, but if you guys can't, then they have stuff out Target and like the Container Store, but it's expensive. So yeah, I know I started talking a lot again, but I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you guys are Doña Life. And yeah, I think that's it. So don't forget, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We're trying to get to 1,000 so I can do Isaac's makeup. Woohoo! But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.